Lastly, we're meeting the #1 baker whose team has won first place at the Louis Lucifer Cup in 2022, Mr. Wu Zijing. His bakery, Niko Bakery, has brought a sensation in Taiwan of the Japanese-style milk loaf because of its soft and fluffy texture, also because of the super cute logo. They even named their bread filter bread, which we called 美肌生吐司. And I'm wondering why. Let's go meet the baker and find out. #1. Japanese milk loaf from Niko Bakery. So here we have the signature sesame honey, which is the one that won the champion. So how would you describe the texture of it, or the taste, and where did you get the idea of the name 美肌生吐司？
会叫美肌是因为我们那时候觉得吐司的皮蛮薄的，然后蛮细致的，就是有点像小孩子的婴儿的肌肤一样，所以叫它美肌生吐司。那这个蜂蜜芝麻是我今年在世界杯比赛的一个作品。考量到台湾是一个很大宗的产地嘛，芝麻糊跟这种芝麻的味道是很多人的儿时的记忆，就想说把蜂蜜跟芝麻两个结合在一起。
And I rarely see this flavor for bread. Is it because this is a popular thing among Taiwan, or is it has to do with your hometown?
应该都是。冬瓜我觉得是一个台湾人比较有特殊情感的东西。现在去到台南观光，你想到要喝东西的时候，应该第一个跑出来的就会是冬瓜茶。做面包也是一个文化的交流、文化的传递。那如果可以把它加在面包里面，吃的同时也可以体验一下台南的那个饮食文化的味道，我觉得是一个蛮好的事情。
I'm wondering, do you feel the pressure that you have to hold up to the reputation of having the best quality of bread after winning the award?
得奖就是一个过程嘛，那当然就是开店，你每天的那个品质都还是要维持在一定的水准啊。我觉得跟比赛反而没有太大的说会有压力，或者是你会觉得大家会想要求更多，其实还好啦，因为它就是一个日常。
So lastly, is there any image or message that you want to deliver through this bakery?
让你可以细细的品味你的生活，品味你的日常。
White bread is something very common in our life, but here in Niko Bakery, they combine Taiwanese local flavor with the bread. I personally really enjoy how soft and fluffy it is, and if you're also a sweet tooth like myself, then I highly recommend the brown sugar winter gourd because you can taste slightly of the brown sugar sweetness as well as the winter gourd. So these are the top 5 award-winning bread in Taiwan. Each bakery has their own uniqueness and the message that the bakers want to deliver. I'm really glad that I get to join these baking process and visit all these factories. So, if you're craving for good bread when you're here in Taiwan, you know where to go.